Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing a product that I came across when I was in Walmart. I've never seen it before that I know of, so I figured I would make a video on it because I thought it was pretty cool. The product is by Maybelline. It is called Python the Metallic Lip Kit, and I got the color Passionate. I wish I could have gotten all the colors, but your girl broke. So this is what the packaging looks like. And I know I haven't made a video in a while. It's just, as you can tell, I don't know if you really even noticed, but I am sitting on a new couch. We finally got Kenny's couch out of storage. So, and I finally got studio lighting, so the lighting is like 10 times better. So, stepping up in the world. So this is what it looks like inside. Also, a little side note, if it looks like my face doesn't match my neck, it's because my foundation decided to oxidize this morning. And I'm on kind of a limited time this morning. So now I'm gonna zoom you guys in so y'all can see like up close what it looks like applying it. So the pictures they show when they're putting it on, they're using their fingers. So I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the top lip with my finger and then the bottom lip with my artiste brush, which I need to clean. So that's what I'm trying to do right now, is just get off the excess lipstick. On the packaging it shows it being very opaque, but in the actual container itself it looks like it's gonna be like a really like a tinted balm, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm kind of nervous. You know, I'm not really expecting it to come out like this. So we'll see how this goes. What it looks like swatched. I'm very impressed. Okay. That's just like the first. Let's see if we can build it up. Keep doing that. It's such a natural habit. So that's only with like 2 swipes of it. Okay. So now we take the metallic and just okay, so I'm seeing a little bit of a difference, but not much. Yeah, using your finger is very sloppy and makes it messy and blotchy. It just adds like a little, makes it look like a regular lipstick, not really metallic. So let's see if the artiste brush can apply it better. Ooh, that goes on a whole lot better with the brush. Definitely a whole lot more vibrant with the brush. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The top is with my finger. The bottom is with the artiste lip brush. The actual lipstick itself is very moisturizing, so that is a plus. The metallic part is like a powder, like a powder overlay. So it's not too, the consistency is actually really nice. It's not heavy on the lips. It doesn't feel, you know, like chalky. The only thing I do have to say is it is not smudge proof. It's really hard to keep it in your lip line. And also, when using this product, I do recommend using a brush, because as you can tell, my finger is not vibrant. You can't really tell what I did with it, and it's just sloppy. The bottom, I use the brush, and it shows up a whole lot more. It actually looks metallic and not just like a shiny lipstick. So that's also something that I would recommend. Like I said, I wish I had the other colors because they were really cool. But like I said, your girl broke. So yeah. More videos coming soon. Tomorrow I should have the whole day because I don't have anything to do tomorrow to sit down and probably film a couple of videos, so I can upload multiple ones instead of just leaving my channel hanging. But you know, I've been waiting on these lights to come in, and I work also during the week, so I'm trying to get my schedule figured out, I guess you could say, and video ideas. I have decided that I don't want to do just beauty videos, because I would like to do story times and, you know, just other random stuff that I would like to do. You know, like I see a crazy product in stores and I want to try it, or, you know, I really don't know what else actually, but I'll figure stuff out as I go. I will be making a Wish makeup video. I'm just waiting on one more thing to come in, which is an eyeshadow palette, so it should be in within the next week. So I should be filming that video next weekend. But I'm pretty excited about that. Some of the stuff looks interesting. I have not even opened any of the products, and I've been waiting for like a month and a half, so it's like itching at me to open one of them, but I haven't for the sake of the video, so I can show you guys my first initial reaction, and y'all can also get a feel of, you know, what you like, or, you know, if it's really worth ordering off of Wish. I do have a few products off of Wish, not like makeup, but like clothing and some phone cases and stuff like that, and I really do enjoy it. The only thing that I don't like is the weight, obviously. But this product actually does work. It is like, I believe it retails for $8 or maybe $8.97. So it is kind of on the expensive side for drugstore, but to me, if it applies like this with a brush, I mean, it really is worth it. Or you can just, you know, actually get like a metallic lip. You know, Milani has some, and I think CoverGirl has some as well. So I mean, you can do that too if you would like to. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys later.